Welcome to the Power Down Pete Saves Planet Earth Assembly. Today we are coming from Power Down Pete's secret base. Our planet is in danger. We need to live our lives on our only planet a little bit differently. Today we are going to discover how our planet is under threat from the pollution monsters, from the things that we do and the things that we buy. We are using up everything our planet has to give us. We are also using fossil fuels in our power stations, coal, oil, and gas. And when we burn these to make electricity, we fill up the air with gases that are warming up our planet. This is Percy pollution, the dirty power station. Every time you use electricity from a power station, you switch on a light, turn on a computer, you do a little bit of damage to planet Earth because Percy pollution uses coal, oil, and gas. And together, these are called fossil fuels. These fossil fuels are fueling Percy pollution, the pollution monster, spoiling our air with carbon dioxide gas. And it's not just the gas from power stations. How many people can come to school in a car when they could have walked? There's lots of nasty gases that come out of cars and they hang around in our air for a long, long time. We need to use our cars less and try and use public transport much more. This is Bertie Bottle. We need to think about our oceans. 8 million pieces of plastic pollution find their way into our ocean every day. By 2050, plastic in the sea will outweigh fish entirely. We need to stop using throwaway bottles, plastic cups, plastic knives, and forks. The list of plastic we use once and throw away is endless. Look at the mess on this beach. Yes, that's a beach. I wouldn't fancy building a sandcastle on that beach. And he didn't put the rubbish there. We did. Our plastic rubbish gets down the drain and into the seas and then gets into the oceans and ends up on the other side of the world on someone else's beach. Do you throw anything down the toilet that you shouldn't? Like a toothbrush? Only the 3 P's should go down the toilet. Pee, poo, and paper. So what about things we leave on at home and at school? How many people today have left the house and know that little red light in the corner of the TV is still on? It's called standby, and it means things are not turned off properly and we are still using energy. This is Billy Bin, and we make and then have to get rid of a whole load of rubbish. Billy Bin loves a big bag of rubbish. He hates recycling, as he knows when we fill up the world with rubbish, the bins will be able to take over and the humans will be finished. This is Careless Catherine. She doesn't care about the planet. She wanders around, dropping litter, leaving lights on, and going everywhere by car. And unfortunately, I know a lot of grown-up careless Catherines. We all need to think about the damage we are doing to planet Earth. Because of these pollution monsters, we are damaging our only home. So how is this our fault? It's something called the greenhouse effect. Normally, the sun's rays warm us up and then bounce back into space again. That's the way it should be. Because of the pollution monsters, we get this. Sun's rays come in and warm us up, but some of them get stuck under the blanket of gas we have put around planet Earth. This means that we get global warming, which leads to our weather getting a bit crazy and unpredictable. Our planet needs help because it's 9 out of the 10 warmest summers across the world have happened since 2010. 2019 was the hottest yet in some countries. Warming up the planet, our weather becomes more and more crazy. So our planet needs some help. It's time for reinforcements. Here we go. It's Frankie Forrest. And Frankie Forrest is a really, really important person. Forests are the most important thing we have on planet Earth. They clean our air and give us oxygen to breathe. We need more trees on our planet. Schools and eco teams, you can get your free trees for schools. No catches, just go on the website for the Woodland Trust and order your free tree. This is Switch Off Sally, and switching off is the best way to save energy. You only use what you definitely need, and when you finish with it, you can switch off. I am now going to give you all a super duper free gift. Everybody hold their hands in the air. I want you to stick your finger out that's next to your thumb. Give it a wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There it is. It's your new free switch off device. It turns off all lights at the flick of a switch. It saves energy. It saves money. It helps the planet. It's available in left and right-handed versions. Just don't forget to use it. This is Walk to School Wendy. Walking to school is one of the best ways we can stop pollution. Using cars fills up our air with lots of nasty gases that stay in the air for a long, long time, and they warm up our air bit by bit. By walking to school, you get exercise, fresh air, and stop using the car so much. If you have to bring a car to school, please don't leave that engine running while your parents wait. Make sure they turn it off. This is Renewable Rachel. Renewable Rachel teaches us all about new ways we can make energy. Instead of making energy using coal, oil and gas, we need to make energy using renewable methods like wind turbines, energy from the flow of the water in rivers and seas, solar power from sunshine, as there is enough of all the energy we could ever need. Solar panels can be put in the farmers' fields so sheep can eat the grass around them. It can even be cheaper than normal energy, making it a bargain. This is William Water. Saving water is vital for the planet, and it's clean energy that's been to the water cleaning factory. Every time we waste water, we waste the energy that's being used to clean it. Dripping taps can waste up to 16 cups of water a day. In the UK, we're lucky to have lots of water cleaning factories, but in some parts of the world, children have to get a drink out of water that we would consider a muddy puddle. Roger Recycle is our next superhero. Recycling one tin can saves enough energy in the process of making a new tin to run a TV for 3 hours. And you can recycle metal forever. You have to sort rubbish, rinse off any food waste, and put it in the correct bin, depending how your local bin collections are set up. Recycling should never be put in a black bag. This is Everyday Eddie. Everyday Eddie is the superhero we can all be. We all can do something to help planet Earth in the things we do and the actions we take. Can you walk to school over the short distances? Can you recycle your rubbish? Can you turn the lights off and turn off the TV when no one's watching it? You too can be an Everyday Eddie. We can all take steps to do even small things to help planet Earth. And we need to think about the animals, because in some parts of the world, the animals are in danger because of the things that human beings are doing. Like the turtle here, who thinks that that plastic bottle is actually its favourite food, a jellyfish. So, our planet needs you to do a few simple things every day to help planet Earth. Perhaps in the future, you can be a planet protector too. You too need to take action. What actions can you do starting today that are going to help planet Earth? Can you walk to school or other short distances? Can you recycle your rubbish? Can you turn out the lights or turn off the TV when no one's watching it? Who can you tell? How can you help? So today I'm going to finish with a special saying that I want you all to remember. We have to save planet Earth because it's the only home we have. I hope to see you in school really soon, but for now, bye!